Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices so pairing is painless. On the console, enable remote features and power mode to instant on. This lets the console wake for connections. Make sure your phone or PC is on the same network as the Xbox. Networks separated by guest or VLAN will block discovery. Then open the Xbox app and sign in with the identical Microsoft account you use on the console. This alignment authorizes the app to find and pair with your Xbox automatically. Once done, open the Xbox app and navigate to the consoles area where you add a console. Tap Add a Console or look for My Xbox. The app will search the network and list devices. Select your console name, and when the TV shows a 4-digit code, type that into the app to pair securely. Grant any permission prompts on both devices to allow remote control and streaming. After pairing, the app will mark the console connected, and you can choose Stream, Remote Play, or Manage Settings. Finish by launching Remote Play or a streaming session from the app and confirming controller input. You can pair a Bluetooth controller to your device or connect via USB for lower latency. If video stutters, lower stream quality in the app settings to reduce bandwidth use. If audio or controls lag, prefer a wired connection. If pairing or discovery fails, restart the router, console, and app. Then reinitiate pairing with the new code. This refreshes network discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.